4K, 3D, 1080p screen. So multiple viewings, whatever you prefer. Probably 4K for like sports and movies. This would be a nice one. Like I said, it's going to go up in there. I'm going to replace that one. That's the older one. I forgot who that was by, but definitely going to be swapping out with this Perlesmith. In about 2 seconds, I'm going to unbox it really quick and figure it out from there. Should be a fun one. Got it out of the box. I pulled it back a little bit so you can see what the screen looks like. Nice and white. Got the black trim around it. Let me zoom out. Here we go. It comes with a string. So you can have it like screwed into the wall. Or you can have like a hooks and have it hooked on the wall. So it's going to be up to you how you're going to put it. And then we'll see this thing in action. Looks really nice though. Pull the screen. So there's a handle. That's what's probably for the string. That one right there. Yeah, look at this thing. You could fold it all the way down. Like I said, 100 inches. That's a good size. For like movie theater sound style. So should be fun. Coming up. Alright, YouTubers, here it is. Finally installed. Got it onto this good old, I think it's like stucco. But whatever they did, super thick, but it got through all the way. But yeah, excellent for movies, for sports, for wrestling, for gaming. Easy to hook up. Definitely need 2 people, or maybe a third, but 2 people will do good. Because you gotta level it. Keep it even, Steven. It does come with a straighten. I'm not gonna pull it up right now, but all you gotta do is just pull it up. Actually, yeah, it's super lightweight. Really nice. I'll shut the lights off in a second. Super thin. Here it is with this. Look at that. That's amazing. Everything is perfectly even. Oh. So that's what the noise is. It's washing the floor. But definitely nice, guys. Clear as day. Got a Judgment Day right there. Oh yeah. So plenty of room. Check them out. Links will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.